Hi everybody, welcome. We are now entering week 2. This is a busy but fun week. You're going to have 2 activities to complete. The first is a discussion that is based on your experiences of developing your evaluation checklist for online tools and for online resources and open educational resources. You're going to include your 2 draft evaluation checklists, the one for the online tools and OER, and the other for the online resources evaluation checklist. And then you want to make sure that each checklist includes a minimum of 5 criteria, and each of those criteria should include either an example or an explanation of that criteria. You want to note any criteria that you found unique, interesting, or surprising, and why that was the case. You want to note any criteria that weren't in the readings that you included in your checklist and why. And you want to note any resources on your Diigo list, or your chosen bookmarking tool if you didn't use Diigo, that may not pass your evaluation checklist and why that is. Once you've posted your initial draft, you want to return to the discussion forum and provide feedback to at least 2 colleagues' posts. And then the initial post is going to be due on Friday, and the follow-up post will be due on Sunday. But see if you can get yours in as early as possible in the week, because you're going to be using the feedback you get from your colleagues for the second activity in our course, which is you're going to post your checklist after integrating the feedback that you receive in the discussion. And you're going to submit a copy of your draft in the course as a document, 2 documents, both of the checklists. The final drafts are due for uploading on Sunday. The grading for that particular piece will be satisfactory or needs revision, and if you get a needs revision, you'll have the opportunity to resubmit. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. See you online.